Cargo verified. Thank
Ooh.
you. Keep on keeping on. Decontaminating suit. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Okay. Have I got lots of junk for you guys? Oh,
Time to get that chiral printer in working order.
so handsome, cleaning himself.
Trust me, it'll be worth it.
Beautiful.
Excellent. The unit doesn't have a scratch on it.
I fell before I picked up the unit.
Sam, how your shoes hold?
What's that? How's it going today? Is the game fun so far? I'm enjoying it, but I feel like it's just been like cutscenes so far and not a whole lot of like action. It's been like me walking to one place and then another cutscene and walking to a place and a cutscene. And I kind of want it to be a little more open, but I don't know if it's that kind of game. It's good.
Not too well, I imagine. Conditions being what they are out there. Carry on like that, and it's only a matter of time before you injure yourself. Bridges standard issue, so they ought to fit you fine. You should always carry an extra pair. But if you forget or run into trouble, you can fabricate another via a terminal at one of our many facilities.
Okie. Some new boots. A bridge? Like a whole bridge?
See you around.
Congratulations, Sam. I understand you now have access to a chiral printer. An extraordinarily useful device that can only function because of the manner in which our network utilizes the beach, enabling us to transfer massive volumes of data instantaneously. Since under normal circumstances, such transfers would take hours, if not days, some have speculated that the chiral network might, in essence, be a time machine. That it is transmitting data into the past. Suffice it to say, we have yet to fully grasp the fundamental nature of the network and the beach which we have come to rely upon. One might liken our relationship with it to that of primitive mans with fire. Is it useful? Quite. Is it dangerous? Undeniably so. Nevertheless, we have decided that the reward outweighs the risk. Furthermore, as the BTs are linked to the beach, it stands to reason that further study and experimentation could be of considerable benefit. The same could be said regarding you, of course. Rest assured, I will keep you apprised of what I learn. You have my word.
Okay. Thank you.
Good work. New order available. Please access delivery terminal.
Oh, Kiko. Kiki. Come here. Step up. Kiko. No. Bite into it. Psycho. What is this? Oh, to the wind farm. Okay. I can do that. It's on the way, it looks like. Right there. Okay. I accept it regardless.
We've added a bridge schematic to your PCC. The first step is laying the foundation, after which you'll have to supply additional materials to finish the job. Plenty of rivers and canyons could do with a good bridge, you know. Take a stroll across one you built yourself, and I guarantee you'll be glad you made the effort. Give it a try.
Okie dokie. Oh. Just build a bridge. One guy. Build a bridge. Heavy.
Order assigned.
His poor spine.
Beginning scan. Have a pleasant journey.
Okay, Sam. Make your way to the designated construction area for the bridge. The foundation should already be in place. With your help, we'll have the thing finished in no time. There should be a terminal nearby. Access it to submit additional materials.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
So do you build it with the help of other people, I guess? Benjamin Hancock.
Sam, looks like we found the site. There should be a terminal nearby. Access it to submit additional materials.
Oh, future construction work.
Bravo, Sam. That bridge should make life easier for a lot of people. You can be sure that every traveler and porter who passes that way will put it to good use. Keep an eye out for other spots that could do with another well-placed bridge.
I will. Is this the river that I think this is the evil river. This does deserve a bridge. That was horrible. Okay. Where to? This looks like a treacherous path. How far am I into the game? I think I'm on the second episode. Not very far. I've only played 3 hours, and most of it's been cutscenes. And you're talking over me? Very rude. Some mail? Oldest first. I'm the man, our savior. Things are looking up here at the way station. Everything better some. All the oxy in the world won't help us deal with fuels, let alone beans. Probably. Like I have fan mail. How's BB doing, Sam? Why are you asking me that? I've been wondering. Getting better and better. Developed a unique system to evaluate points. So the nicer my condition is, the higher that'll be rated at the end, and then condition will stay better? Is that what I'm getting out of this? Okay. I bet there's BTs ahead.
There we go.
You're an eagle. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Keeps distracting me, sorry.
There we go.
There we go. My crystal collection. Oh yeah, there's some spooky boys. It's pouring. I don't really see many places where I can wait out the rain. Unless I can, like, under here. But I don't think I can. Strong wind. Oh boy.
Thanks for the help.
Beware of BTs.
Danger. Danger.
My gosh, this wind is crazy. Okay, off the network. This is ridiculous. Far am I? Oh, I'm so far. I'm so far. I have to stay out of the rain. Yes, you do. The rain is called timefall rain, and it starts to degrade your, so it'll speed up the process of time, and the containers will rust, and then get a lower grade. And ooh, yeah. Oh, no, not doing that. Hills are dangerous. Uh-oh. What's wrong? What's up? Why are you angry? Come here. Come here. Come on. Come up. Don't be angry. Be angry. We're all good. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Not trying. They're everywhere.
got company.
Oh my gosh. Ah! You're distracting me, Mumbles.
Easy now.
Am I even going the right way? I don't think I am. I think I'm supposed to be going that way. Yep. Oh. Me too, BB. What does that mean? Does it see me? Ah. Oh no. Safe.
Easy, Sam. You're clear of BG territory. The Death Stranding's to blame for all of this. The gazers, the fall of America, everything. It warped the world beyond recognition. Humanity had to scramble like rats fleeing a sinking ship. But there's nowhere.
Oh, I'm not carrying any damage spray. Uh-oh.
Else to go. There's no future living like this. If we're to survive, we need to find another way. A way to overcome the BTs, the Death Stranding, the whole damn mess.
I feel like he has an ulterior motive. He just sounds sinister when he talks. Maybe not. Can I clean it first? No? Okay, it's fine.
Delivering cargo.
Thank you. With this unit, we should be able to power the distro center via the chiral network. Other places too, if it works. Here's hoping the UCA can put our electricity to good use. Mind if I have a look? Incredible. How'd you get this here? You fly?
Yes. I took my plane. Okay, well that was horrible and not fun.
All we need now is a connection to the chiral network. Go for it.
Strength is a limited resource, and every structure you build consumes it.
Yeah, this is horrible. This place is a nightmare. What's wrong?
About time we did our part. Thanks again. You know, I heard the rest of
His
your
last
team's
name
wiped
is
out.
Wind. His name is Jake
Makes what
Wind,
you're doing all
and
the
he
more
owns a
incredible.
wind farm.
You're a one-man expedition. I hope Amelie's doing as well as you. Wonder if she made it to Edgenot City yet. It was her that put us in charge of the wind farm. I was with the group bringing up the rear while Amelie led the way. I've never met her in person, but it was an honor to travel with her all the same. When you see her, feel free to tell her I said so, huh?
Hitting on her?
Sam,
What?
got a moment? I ran an experiment with your blood. It seems you were onto something. After dispersing an aerosolized sample of your blood in BT territory, we observed reduced activity. While this is hardly definitive, as we have no other repatriates to whom we can turn for additional testing, it does suggest that the bodily fluids of repatriates are repellent to BTs. Mama had the idea of developing a weapon to test this theory. The prototype should be ready soon, and when it is, we'd like you to test it.
Sam, this is the perfect opportunity. We've almost got the whole region on the Chiral network. All that's left is Port Knot City. Return to Capital Knot City so you can pick up relief supplies for Port Knot. By the time you arrive, we can give you the completed prototype in person. One other thing. It's not very often porters get out to that wind farm. While you're there, you should pick up any outstanding orders. No sense coming all the way back here empty-handed if there's work to be done. Have a look at that delivery terminal.
Good work. New order available. Please act.
What? Mind? Sure. Okay. Take on orders.
Congrats, Sam. You're cleared to take on open orders. While they're not as high priority as the ones specifically assigned to you, if you're already heading a certain way and you have room to spare, it couldn't hurt to do a little more, right? Just because they're not mission critical doesn't mean they're not important to someone. So why not do a good deed or two?
Bunch of resin.
Hey, great work. That wind farm you've brought into the network is essential for our continued expansion. By way of reward, I've added a little something to your PCC. A generator option. Generators recharge the batteries of all nearby devices. That includes machines, bikes, and other battery-powered vehicles.
Okay, I can get that bike now. Try this way.
Soon, I hope.
Oh.
Hey there! Just remember, one foot in front of the other. All there is to it.
How is BB?
It's okay. It's alright. Yeah, everything's okay.
When he yells hello, that's just pushing the middle button, like the touchpad.
It's all good. It's all good.
Gotcha.
But he'll say anything.
Hey there.
Weapons restrictions lifted.
Mushrooms. Yum 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 yum.
Ugh, it's disgusting.
Anybody hear me?
I can rest.
Oh, I was about to drop.
What? That looks so comfy. I don't think I'm supposed to be sitting this way.
Up and at 'em.
What? This area is really nice looking. It's just terrifying. Yeah, so you can hold down R2. Sorry, the question was, is he hard to control when he's walking with all that stuff on his back? You can hold L2 and R2 to like steady yourself, but you walk a lot faster without doing that. But it'll tip
Keep it up.
periodically, and it's pretty hard to control actually. I thought I'd get used to it, but I'm just holding both.
Too close.
And running down hills is kind of scary, and running up hills takes forever. Ah. I think I went a foolish way. I just wanted to stay away from the BTs, but I'm going mountain climbing. What? Do I damage something? Ow. Oh my gosh. Oh! Why is this so high?
Get it together.
No! Oh my god. My poor cargo. My poor BB. No. Okay. No. And my baby. Do you get to name your character or the baby? No. Your username shows up in the game because you can build structures, but your name is Sam. And the baby's just BB. Okay. Careful. Careful. I'm gonna drop it. Whoa. Am I missing any cargo? Oh, I am. Oh, you know what? It's just PCC. I don't care. Let's replot my route, because I'm making no sense. Back up. I think that's a bad idea, but... yeah, you have to rock the controller to calm it. Oh. Why am I doing this? I know I'm just gonna drop all my stuff. I'm being so dumb. Like, why is this ladder this high? Why? No. No. So far, it's just been me calming BB the entire time and falling.
Someone's happy.
And why is it telling me to go this way? This seems like wrong.
Over where? Keep on keeping on.
Oh, it's windy again.